Give me zoom it. Give me zoom it. How do I zoom it? Give me it. Hi, with the shoes.
Oh, and it's still making more noise.
That's a big bowl.
Fucking up the Z100 bands. Fucking up the Z100.
I feel bad for her. It's embarrassing. She just crashed in front of millions of people and Z100's just trying.
Wait, can you keep her talking?
I feel bad for her. She just crashed in front of the Z100. I mean, move.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys.
There's pieces of the thing on the floor.
Wait. Move. Sorry, let me in. No, let me stay.
Pieces of the light
Smoking on the butt. Yay.
They crashed the fucking van. Nah. She's gonna crash the car.
Then we're gonna handle this later. We're gonna handle